Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video I'm going to talk about this guy, the Auman Landscape Comprehensive Guide on how to install pavers, coming up. Hey Lawn Care Nation, so you've been doing lawn care for a while and you're thinking about expanding your services. You want to get into a bit of work that is in that higher tier sort of level of landscaping. Something where maybe the competition isn't as great and you can get a higher rate of return on the work and the effort that you're putting through. Now, a natural transition for this and going into landscaping is doing paver patios, paver sidewalks, and even paved stone driveways. So what if I told you that there was a resource out there available to you right now that basically walked you through the whole process from a complete beginner and would have you at the end able to do your own paver patio from start to finish. So what I'm talking about here is the 2 DVD video course that Caleb Auman from Auman Landscape put out a few years ago. And this basically walks a complete beginner from the planning stages all the way through completion on laying a paver patio down. And like I say, it's perfect for the complete beginner and will walk you through all of the steps that you need to know if you want to get into doing paver style patios, sidewalks, driveways, that sort of stuff. It's a great foundational type of video to walk you through and get you on the right step, the right foot moving forward on the tools, the materials, and the techniques required to do the job properly. Now, Caleb Auman and Auman Landscape have over combined 30 years of experience doing paver patios, driveways, and all of that type of work. So this video is easily laid out in terms that any do-it-yourselfer or homeowner can understand. And like I said, anybody with no experience at all doing pavers, paved stone patios would be able to comprehend the scope of this type of project. But this also doubles as a fantastic resource as training material for any hardscape company to get new employees up to speed quickly if they don't have that previous experience in these sorts of jobs. So in actually watching the video series myself, I found it to be really educational. It really gets into all of the details, like I said, but in complete, layman's terms for people with no prior experience to understand what the scope of a project like this would entail, and then you can move forward from there. And from this, it's just an excellent way to add to your business and to, venture out of that lawn care realm, to expand your horizons and maybe start offering smaller projects in the beginning as you become more comfortable and to move through that and, just get yourself into that hardscape realm. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out this DVD set. Just know that I am not affiliated at all with this DVD set, so I'm not making any sort of commission or anything like that if you guys choose to purchase this DVD set. I just found it a fantastic value. Like I say, I interviewed Caleb on the podcast just about a year ago, and he was such a wealth of information when it comes to landscape and hardscape projects, and he sent this out to me to have a look at, and I just found so much valuable information in it that I keep referring people to it, and I keep talking about it over and over again because it is such a perfect tool to get people started in that direction if hardscape and pavers are the way that you want to look at. Just a fantastic training resource. I would encourage all of you guys to follow Caleb Auman and Auman Landscape on their Instagram account just to see sort of the scope of work and craftsmanship that these guys do on a daily basis with paved stone patios and all sorts of other landscape jobs and hardscape jobs throughout the course of their business. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. If you like the content that I create and you want to support the channel, check out my Amazon affiliate store. I'll leave a link below. You'll find a bunch of the podcast t-shirts like this one, as well as all of the other products that I've tested and reviewed on this channel and podcast that are available through Amazon. I have all the links there in that Amazon affiliate storefront. So that's it for this one, guys. So here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.